Hi beauty babes and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are keeping well and I hope that you're having a great day. So today I'm doing a tutorial, just a little mini tutorial on this eye look that I have here, and the palette that I've used to do this is the Huda Remastered Rose Gold palette, which is absolutely beautiful. She really is gorgeous. I've had her for a long time and I've just never really used it, and in this time where I'm having things to do, I'm going back over what I haven't done and thought, do you know what, it doesn't matter if I've got these products that are a bit older, I still want to review them, I still want to tell you what I think of them and do an eye look with them. So I'm going to do an eye look for you first, and then I'm going to do swatches and then a close-up, and then we'll come back to me and we'll have a chat about it afterwards. So see you in a minute. Okay, so I hope you like the look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. As you can see, very impressed with this, very impressed indeed. Now I bought this from Cult Beauty. Now as filming this has got 30% off at the moment, so if you're in the market for a new eyeshadow palette and you've bought everything that is affordable but you want to try something a little bit more expensive, then I would recommend this. It is really lovely, but I'm not advising you to go and spend your money if you really can't afford it, because no makeup is worth anything if you haven't got the money to pay for it. It's the absolute truth. Don't get yourself into debt. And I know this is me preaching and everything, but it is the truth. If you don't need it, then don't buy it. This was something that I desperately wanted last year, and I picked it up with money that my mum had bought for me. My mum had given to me for my birthday and Christmas, so I used it to buy this. Yeah, it's a lovely palette. It swatches really well, and it wears really well, and it goes on really well, and it blends really well. But then for the money, I would expect it to do that. If it didn't, I would be very upset. The palettes that I've got of Huda, this is possibly one of my favourites. I really do like it. I like Huda Beauty as the sense of it being an independent brand. I'm not sure I personally like the ethics and everything with their advertising when they try to rip off Beauty Bakery, which I thought was really mean, because Beauty Bakery is a little tiny independent company, and I think that there should be individuality within makeup companies, and I don't think they should rip off other makeup companies for ideas, etc. I used to be a big fan of dupes, because I could never afford to buy the real thing. And what I failed to see was that if I just stopped buying dupes and having to have everything, I was able to save the money and buy myself better quality products and get the original products. And I am far happier doing that, because I buy less frequently, I'm not spending as much money, and the products that I'm getting are far better quality. You know, you really can tell the difference. And I'm not a drugstore snob in any way whatsoever, because I do like drugstore, but I really have turned a corner and really have seen that, you know, you're better off buying the genuine article and getting the best payoff. You know, and having palettes that you're actually going to use, have makeup you're going to use and put on your face, as opposed to buy it, collect it, swatch it a couple of times, use it once, put it away and never use it again. It's just such a waste of money. It really is such a waste of money. And since doing my no buy, I've really discovered that, you know, there is so much more that you can do with your money. So much more that you can do with your money. Yeah, so yeah, I know that that's probably going to cheese a few people off, because, you know, I started off my YouTube channel supporting drugstore brands, but I'm kind of like someone now who support drugstore and also high-end and very much indie brands as well. Indie brands are now my thing. They have been for a while, but especially now where we are in the pandemic, I really feel strongly about supporting indie brands, because they are people that are working from home, and they are the ones that are going to go out of business if we don't support them. Yeah, so yeah, it's a lovely palette, and yes, I know that there is always controversy around different companies, and obviously Huda Beauty has a fair share of its own. What I love about Huda is she will talk to you, do videos and everything, and you do feel connected to her still, which is great. And also I really respect the fact that, you know, in the pandemic, they haven't laid off their staff, they're still paying their staff, and she's not actually taken a wage at all. Anyway, thanks for joining me today, Beauty Babes, for this little mini tutorial, and I'll hope to see you again in the next video. And for now, ta-ta. I'll see you later, guys. Have a beautiful day. Bye.